Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing well. I'm staying safe. Once we done with my son's birthday shopping, we just came to Decathlon. You know guys why? Because my son was so annoyed, just eagerly waiting for his skating shoes. We came to choose the skating shoes, and though we don't have any idea regarding that, he eagerly waiting to purchase it, and he's the one who step inside Decathlon first. These sanitizers has become so common nowadays entering any shopping malls. We enter Decathlon. Guys, you can see only the sports related equipments and health related also. Of course, we just purchase all these for our health benefits only. And my son started just using them because it's all demo pieces. He just started using it because he's very much interested in those things. As soon as entering Decathlon, we saw these treadmills because in the beginning itself, they've just kept all these demo pieces where we can give a try, and then we can go ahead to purchase them. And we just ask them the features of it, and of course, it's all related to the Decathlon brands only. Nowhere else it is available, guys. My son really enjoying a lot using them, and decathlon is one major benefit is as soon as we enter we'll not feel like shopping, we also experience them it guys. In decathlon stocks a wide range of sporting goods from tennis rackets to advanced scuba diving equipments, usually in large big box superstores averaging 4,000 meters in size. Decathlon Group markets in products under more than 20 brands. Decathlon is vertically integrated, designing and developing its own products and marketing under its more than 20 brands, with each sport and often sub sports and sports groups having his own brand. Maintaining their own brands is the specialty of Decathlon. So, as I told you, you will not be getting all these brands any other markets. So, if you want the Decathlon brands, you have to get inside the Decathlon. So there we did not find to purchase anything, and finally we have a plan of going for another decathlon. And here on the way we saw this nursery, guys, because we have a plan of making hibiscus garden. From so many days we are in a search for particular color, guys, and that I don't know we are going to get it or not, but let's give it a try. So did you see this color, guys? The shade I didn't like it, the color it's exactly what I wanted, and the shade behind the flower was not what I expected. And yes, here I'm in a search for some other variety, so let's see. So what we expected we didn't get it, but still we are just compromising with other color. We reached other decathlon. Did you see, guys, how eagerly he is waiting for his skating shoes? And he's so excited. For his birthday, we thought of gifting him. But let's see. Hope for the best. Decathlon really gives a great atmosphere, guys. Feel like being more fit and feel like doing more fun. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do here now. So these are the tents, guys. If we feel like going and trekking all this and feel like staying somewhere, we can really buy this. It's so comfort. I did not expect this soft mattress inside the tent, and I really feel cool. Here we saw few equipments where we can make ourselves fit using all these equipments, but it's a bit expensive, but to see it is really too good, guys. And here we're gonna try a few of them and we're gonna have fun. My son started playing with ball, and of course he would like to do cycling inside the decathlon because the place it's feel like doing cycling.
You've lost, but I don't feel I have won. I wanna forget you, but only time will
Finally, we came to the section called skates. Here they are, and yeah, from so many days we feel like buying it. With the skates, you can even buy the helmet, gloves, knee pads, etc. So these are few skates, but we wanted the other one. I'm going to show you, and I'm just going to bring the person who is really have a more knowledge regarding this. Then we're going to select one. These skates are really awesome, guys, and the quality wise, it's superb. And yeah, we're gonna try this now. Wow, it's looking fabulous. And let's see whether he can walk or not. Without support, it's a bit tough in the beginning days, but going forward, definitely they're gonna learn. But just now, he just started skating, but within 5 to 10 minutes only, he started stood up on that. I was really surprised watching him. After 5 to 10 minutes, he started balancing, and yes, even we do got surprised watching him. That much interest he's having to buy the skates. And here, as I told you, he loved to do cycling, so he started doing it. Meanwhile, even I started doing cycling, guys, because even I do get bored being there and watching the equipments. Definitely, we can't stop our cravings to do them. Yeah, of course, even I started doing it. That's all for today's one, guys. Thanks for being with me again. Stay strong, stay safe, stay home. Let's catch up with a new vlog again tomorrow. Till then, do like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is VRK Homemaker.